Welcome to Harpersfield Covered Bridge MetroPark in Ashtabula County. Let's go take a little ride. And as we enter the bridge here in Ashtabula County in Ohio, this is the Harpersfield Covered Bridge, built in 1868. Check it out, everybody. Is that cool or what? And as we make our way through, we're going to go over the river and out the other side. And this leads us into the Grand River, which is a state park, which we just crossed the covered bridge. And check this out, everybody. We're actually trout fishing out here in the Grand River. We got a little falls there, you can see it. You got the covered bridge in the background. What a great place for a little escape. Check out the fishermen out there. Check out the bridge. And check out the river here in Ashtabula County in Ohio. And we're going to do a little walk through here, the Grand River again. And this is the actual covered bridge, which is kind of cool. Check it out. If we don't get run over here. Is that cool or what? Used in the horse and buggy days, everybody. Over the Grand River. And we're doing a little walk through here on the side of the bridge. And there goes a car. Not a horse and buggy, but a car. Cool looking bridge. And as we make our way across, gonna take a little swing out here. We got a fisherman down there looking for a trout, a little fly fishing. We got a duck over there. And a great view of the Grand River. So come check this out, everybody. And we got a gentleman right here going fishing. What are you going to fish for, sir?
Probably anything that'll bite, but smallmouth, you know.
Smallmouth bass. Great. Well, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Hope you get 1,000,000 of them. And these guys are down here doing some fly fishing. Looking for the big one. We got another gentleman over there. Coming off the steady little flow there. And he's getting ready for an action shot there. But this is right along the side of the covered bridge we just drove through. And from what I understand, Ashtabula County has got the largest number of covered bridges in the United States. So one day, everybody, we're going to have to take a bridge tour in Ashtabula County. Come check it out with us. Follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures. Great spot in Ohio. Come follow.